Chapter 3, Uncovering a Buried Treasure and Introducing the 10 Steps for Awakening Psychics. So welcome, I'm Joe again, and I want to start off by asking a few questions. Are you highly sensitive to other people's energies? Right? Do you feel like your sensitivities make you different from everyone else? Or perhaps you feel too open, right? And you're searching for a pathway through all this energy. And if this is you, often your gifts can feel more like a curse than a blessing. And it's really easy to feel stuck without answers. And even if you're not that open, when you are opening up to your gifts, it's easy to feel lost. And no matter what stage of development students are at, often the students will ask, which way do I go with all this? How do I know which direction to take with my abilities? And how do I find peace in this situation? Now, everyone wants a proven pathway, right? And in this chapter, I provide that pathway for you. And from working with, hundreds and thousands of students throughout the years, I found what works, what doesn't, and what's the most streamlined approach. And in this chapter, you'll learn this pathway at a high level. And this pathway is what I call the journey of the awakened psychic. It's the 10-step guide for awakening psychics. And in the following chapters, we take a deeper dive into each one of these steps. All right, so step by step. Now, what's the next step in this case? Go ahead and open your book to chapter 3 to learn more. And, go ahead and share with the group what's been your path to your awakening so far. Are you a beginner? Are you, in the middle of your journey? Are you really open? Or are you already an experienced healer or professional psychic? And, how many of you have been trying for years to hone your gifts in some form or fashion? Go ahead and post all your comments, ahas, questions to the Facebook group, or reply to the email. And just know I read every single comment. All right, with that, go ahead and read chapter 3, and many blessings to you. Thanks for watching. Before you go, I want to invite you to my free mini e-course called The 3 Keys to Awakening Your Psychic Gifts. Find out more and enroll today at www.mypsychicawakening.com/masterclass. You'll find even more psychic awakening resources, including e-courses, healing sessions, and one-on-one counseling should you need extra guidance on your particular awakening. Find all that and more at www.mypsychicawakening.com. Many blessings to you, and here's to expanding your consciousness to that next level.